Sony Vaio just released the new EB series, and we're happy to have Ian in to tell us all about it. Thanks for coming in, Ian.
Thanks, Drew.
So the first thing I noticed about the notebook is kind of that Sony-esque look and feel.
Yep. So we have a full-size 15.5-inch display, but you see this sparkly, nice high gloss piano finish. Just kind of one of those added features that people notice when they see a Vaio.
Yeah, absolutely. And you said it was full size. I noticed that there's actually a 10 keypad on it as well. That's new, isn't it?
Yeah. So we have two notebooks now that actually have the 10 keypad. We've had a lot of requests for that in the past. So if you're plugging in a lot of numbers in Excel or dialing a lot of people on Skype or something, 10 keypad is there, and it is something we offer now and have never done before.
Definitely. I've tried to do spreadsheets with the buttons up top, and it's just a nightmare. What's on the inside?
We're looking at, the latest core processors, so the new, depending on the model, i3, i5, i7 core, 4 gigs of RAM, up to 500 gig hard drives, so a lot of power. Of course, fully integrated, camera, microphone, HDMI out to go to your TV, things like that. So the power that people, want.
Yeah, well, it's definitely nice to have that power, and a lot of Vaios now are being used for pretty graphic-intensive applications, whether it's, Blu-ray, things like that. What are the graphics cards?
So fortunately, we have standardized on ATI next generation graphics. So in addition to all that, you're getting up to 1 gig of dedicated video RAM. So when it comes to performance in a notebook, it doesn't really get any better than that.
Are you paying for that performance?
No, that's one of the highlights of the EB series here. You're getting all of that, and there's maybe 1 or 2 SKUs that are actually over $1,000. Most of them well below the $1,000 mark. So great looking PC at a great price.
Definitely. I know Sony's been known for their customer service. A lot of, in these rough times, some companies want to really cut that out of their bottom line since it's easy to do. Yeah. That kind of comes at the sacrifice of the customer. How have you guys addressed the customer support?
One thing that we've rolled out on all Vaios all across the board is our Vaio Care software. So Vaio Care is basically a built-in IT department. And one nice thing that we have on the top here is you see the Assist button. Mm-hmm. The Assist will launch the Vaio Care program. And like I said, it'll basically answer any frequently asked question. You want to make some recovery disks. You want to check the user's manual. You can even chat online with one of our techs, live. And basically, it's a one-stop IT shop for all your needs. And of course, if Vaio Care can answer it, we have award-winning tech support, so you can get them on the phone and get whatever you need. Yeah,
well, next to the Assist button is a web button. What's that all about?
That's another cool feature that we're implementing this launch. Basically, a lot of times you just want to check an email, you want to look up an address, just check something real quick, and you don't want to wait for your computer to boot up. So you can hit the web button, it pulls up the web browser, and you can be surfing the web. You don't have to wait for Windows to do its thing.
Easy enough. Thanks for your time, Ian.
Yeah, thank you.
It's the Vaio EB series. It's stylish, full of features, and affordable. It's a 3-hit combo. Get one shipped to your door from Buy.com today.